and a full-on collection. A true student of the thing that we do. If you know how we sound like when we burn the English language, masigoba the language I'm talking Sekosi Pamla-ish, I'm talking Amadoda Madala. When we are talking about people who are studying where we are coming from, I'm not talking Saul Williams. I am not talking the other stuff. Button poet. No. Nkuluma, another way that we bend this language so that it does what we want it to do. I need you to help me welcome a dear friend of mine, one of my favorite poets, who's able to speak to this thing, Mandela. My generation does not know. Please help me welcome Zama Madinana to the stage. Yes.
How are you guys doing? Are you good? Yeah, my name is Zama Madinana. I'm just gonna share like a few poems from my book 94. Actually, 2 poems.
I'll make it 4.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll make 4.
No amount of sugar can match the sweetness of your lips.
Yay.
Even during low shedding hours, your eyes and thighs never disappoint.
Oh.
Because everything between your thighs is divine. Wena sibutubutu sam esphethe inyanga nezikanyezi ngamehlo esishaya ngonwele oluthokozelayo ubuntofontofo bezindebe zakho benza igazi lami ligijime libile inhliziyo yami ibhakuze isikhali siqine sikhombe phezulu ingemuva lakho ngathi izitaba zokhahlamba uqobo kodwa ngizicaca ngize ngifike esicongweni ngizicaca ngize ngiconsa amanzi awu kujabula ulimi madoda lona oligijima emalangabini oliguduza ezindaweni ezifihlekileyo ezithambileyo futhi ezikhethekileyo ngathi uphethe amabholo omlilo ngesifuba sakho sibubudu sami wena ndoni yami yamanzi ethi mayimamatheka ngikitazeke ngisho emaqakaleni imbali uthi ulivele lusiduzele ngenhliziyweni yami ngisho izimbali zakukhothamela zikuthakazele mawuqhamuka amahlokohloko ahalela iphimbo lakho elimtoti sibutubutu sami inkinga nje ngilambadlile ngabe ngiyakufukula ngikuphosele emazulwini phinde ngiqale bese ngithi manga esihlathini sibutubutu sami yeah.